In this video, I'm going to show you how to configure and set up your Steam community profile. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we first need to do is open up your Steam client or go to store.steampower.com and simply log into your account. Once you've logged into your account, hover over your account name and then click onto View My Profile. And now inside your profile section inside of Steam. Now on here we can go ahead and edit profile. So on your profile page, click the edit profile button, usually near the upper right. So you can see here under level, I can go ahead and click on edit profile. From here, we can customize the following tabs. So in the general tab, we can go ahead and give us a profile name, a real name and a custom URL, and also a location. So you can go ahead and pick a location and give yourself a summary. Also with profile preferences, we can hide community awards on my profile if you want to do that as well. And then we've got the avatar tab. We can go ahead and upload a new avatar if we like. We've got avatar frames and go ahead and save and continue. We can change our profile background in here as well. And we can view our mini profile, which we can have a play around here, and also the theme. And also if we go to privacy settings, we can change the privacy settings of our community profile. So if you want your profile to be public, you can change it to public, and it will show you what your profile is currently set at the top here. So mine is public, so my profile name and avatar are visible to anyone who visits your profile and are used to represent you in multiplayer games. This profile background image and mini profile elements you choose may also be visible even if your profile is private, so keep that in mind. So yeah, that's it guys, how to configure and set up your Steam community profile.